Anyway, let's hold on to that. So today we are actually going to talk about Ghana.
Yes.
Celebrities what show off with Ghanaian costumes. Wapampam and Taloya Kama. Yes, we're going to roll some pictures, their videos, there when I wa Ghanalize war Independence Day. No, now a choose who rocked any costume well.
Yeah.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Beautiful people able to afford from VJ Parker Rich. I had me at Parker Rich Studios, and this is the Plus 233 show.
Yeah, man.
And in there, Ghana, Ghana is 68 years, PKB.
Ghana is 68 years. Happy Independence Day.
Are we truly an independent state?
Charlie, boss. So that conversation, we still not be independent too.
It be conversation for another day.
It be conversation for another day.
Well,
Ghana itself at 68 no cry. I mean more problem. Because as a man, as a order, so one bonny bray.
Anyway, let's hold on to that. So today we are actually going to talk about Ghana.
Yes.
Celebrities what show off with Ghanaian costumes. Wapampam and Taloya Kama. Yes, we're going to roll some pictures, their videos, there when I wa Ghanalize war Independence Day. No, now a choose who rocked any costume well.
Yeah, the best outfit.
But first of all, your bought drop of PKB any favorites. And then it is coming from the Western region, yes. It is coming from the Western region.
Of great favorite, Mr. Great
she's one of the most beautiful girl. And a beauty no from mother.
It runs in the family
to the daughter. And now wabo sunutu papa no ye garam benyufu. We're excited. Now you parakasa or video that kasa nenwaji the shaking the malakas of the shaking of the itun. Papa for video to the man for healing.
Great.
Healing,
yes.
Very good. Into Fantana, Fantana,
Ghanaian musician.
Ghanaian musician Fantana na chere. All of was brother video na starting here na yen I was so na akoyere. Ke sine film za man. Yes I. Into Bosha Ghana no bonetri obonu to kama na we raise the flag in high and it's beautiful. Yes. Into Fantana na yeshen. We are also going to show you other pictures of other celebrities. Director Oyebia, hey, that's free. And so, director for pictures celebrate one by one. That review, share what I want Rocky Ghana costume well. It's a year Nana Equia Ado, a fashion icon. I believe the PKB familiar with her.
Oh, Nana Equia Ado, not too familiar.
Okay, warrior. African magic na dena red carpet no ko say wo nenta loyo ye hu pa PKB oya director am wa hwe yenyim kakra na chima sami be ye mpere wo bo hu. And so the next picture on the screen and of far picture it feels
Fuse
ODG, other social costume. Yeah. Like I said, they would those screens and I think it's a beautiful costume. Or share the Ghana at
I promise on my motherland.
That Okita the Ghana flag. It's a beautiful costume. So Fuse, the check and dress it up. The who what a bill in our whole age. I say drop pictures in the video. Who Fuse. Who else is coming? This is my missing gaton, aka Mepe Hype Chambi.
Mepe Hype Chambi.
If was and so a edunum on so Rocky or your Ghana costume. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Even the anchor so your black lady.
Beauty, black
also
beauty.
Your feel.
Yeah.
Or report. Hey, on a peche. Oh yeah, delayed. Delayed all the wire searching, a wire photo shoot of a Ghanaian lies.
Yeah,
beautiful woman.
I have a crush on delay. You know, like
Yeah, better.
One soft woman.
Check it out.
Check it out. Hey, my favorite.
Hey, all what Freddie?
Hey, Sister Derby.
Sono, Iraba Sono, Debbie. You are Kenyan pa over to match the taste of Sister Debbie. You pa crying your money or your medical. Seb, you on your dada. Yes. All that boy. Oh, medical pen on your Debbie added and it's over to match how sweet she is. And in the picture, she looks very good.
Very sweet. Look, Charlie.
When you know so, but no hair.
Very young. On the age, 40 plus.
At her side. Oh, yeah, you shatter in your pet. And she still looks beautiful. Who is next on the list? Or Rocky Gada or Samini Mini, the rain god.
Mini.
I represent the Pito Empire from the northern side of Ghana.
Nice one.
Samini,
come on.
Yeah, they look good.
Color and texture is very different.
Very nice costume. And Samini washing. Samini, big ups for representing Ghana and the northern side in all. What a bill. Hey, I'm fair Patricia. Our fair Patricia. Also, Oya Priscilla Opoku. In a cherry. Isha, Enufuka cra. Wash your goze and waka crazy good do. Isha, Kefs and a su a yijano. Come on. Our calibers one where no cover before friends. Nankupon no nim. But after Patricia, no why I felt pie in her Ghanaian costume. A check and a dress now, bigging up. Who else is on the list? Director. Hey! Ain't our friend Doom ass.
Yeah.
What can you do my original what pink?
And he didn't know Doom ass. Okay.
Into Joycelyn Dumas war appointing a controversies baby Ghana and also na Sisiano or Shagan and Teroma Yehundo Ghana.
Yeah.
Papa. Anna naturally she's beautiful.
Yeah, so
Kefs in a suit. Ne Kevin or today cocoa. You know, F for cocoa Kefs, sharp Kefs the bar. And it's a check in Joycelyn Dumas and then dress it aside. I say about Kofu. Who else do we have? Cotton one Fantana na me oye MP. Inyo Dokas anti-dokia. Anti-dokia
for Jomoro.
Iyo AP of Jomoro. Anti-dokia yabo wede chino.
Charlie. Orate.
The donkey, what friend the donkey not go a doggy and pochele. It's about 4 hours, I had 4 hours.
Now she telling him to make a crash. She will have a bright future behind her.
Parliament, someone pressure.
Charlie.
That woman, yeah. The constituency fully in Obiadi Yaba can dream wife. But she cannot share. Who else do we have if it's not finished? Let's enjoy. This is Abake Ababrese.
Okay, Ababrese.
I represent the fancy configuration. Actually, one body to cool Sabati. But this is a Gold Coast look, and it's beautiful. This is a true definition of African
Gold Coast.
I mean, she just represents that dress. But me, the tribe though. But she's a beautiful woman. I like how she dressed in this picture. Who else do we have to represent Ghana? What they dress in as? I say what? Era kwabena will bet yadibeshe will post. Kwabena to look very nice. Ofrede kaba. Yes. Esha da los no ha. Kwabena the way fret kaba but to ba drop. About fuwe. So truly Ghana is 68.
Yes.
The celebration today was very
quick and sharp.
Kakraba President Mahama so pena wo Ghana cow. And there is something interesting I noticed about today. Without President Mahama, I can find so for the other one. I could be literally, but Zoya Sofu will be literally with a bob. Doye Ibab will be literally with a bob. But I missed when they pour the libation. So you saw Onyum Seguna one more bay. Yeah, that's I don't know. But guys, in all, we should all do our possible best to make sure Ghana gets to the heights we are looking for.
Yes.
It will be beautiful to see great celebration. I believe that President Mahama will be strong for Ghana at 70. I'm not sure Ghana at 70. Ebedu will blue kill Simenda. We'll take it out there and show the world what we are made of. My name is DJ Parker Rich. Happy Independence Day.
Independence Day.
We'll be enjoying them.
Yeah, pun.
Chill. It's a long weekend.
Yeah, man.
You're safe.
You're safe.
We're out of here.
Yeah.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Parker to the Rich.